Are you ready to revolutionize your travels? We're about to embark on a digital journey that will redefine your travel experiences. Imagine effortless planning, easy language translations, and ultimate convenience at your fingertips. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 travel apps that will change your life. Starting off at number 5, we have an app that revolutionizes itinerary planning. Its key features include real-time updates and personalized suggestions. This app takes the hassle out of travel, making every journey a breeze. That was number 5, but hold on, we're just getting started. Moving on to number 4 on our list. Imagine an app that streamlines your itinerary and keeps you updated on flight changes. It's like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket. That was our number 4 choice. Stay tuned for the next one. Number 3 on our list is a true game changer. This app redefines travel planning with its standout features. It's like having a personal concierge in your pocket, organizing your itinerary, and making travel a breeze. That was number 3. Are you ready for the next one? And now, coming in at number 2 is an app that's a game changer for globetrotters. With its unique features, it simplifies itinerary planning, provides real-time updates, and even offers language translation. Traveling has never been this effortless. That was our second to top choice, but the best is yet to come. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, number 1 on our list is, this app is a true game changer, integrating itinerary planning, language translation, and even local recommendations, all in one intuitive interface. It's like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket, ready to turn any journey into an unforgettable adventure. This app has the power to revolutionize your travel experience, making every trip smoother and more enjoyable. And there you have it, the top 5 travel apps that will change the way you travel. Start exploring. The world is waiting.